example, when it is union, see that it is giving error or not. Why? Because we are getting error. Because of in structure, what happened? 26 bytes memory allocated. In structure, 26 bytes and 2 given to ID number, 20 given to name, and 4 given to fee. Means that's why we can access all the members. But in union, 26 bytes allocated, 20 only now. Then in 20, how can you store 26? Logic simple. Here, in when it is union, only 20 bytes now. That is shared by all the union members. And now tell me, here 101 required how many bytes? And Krish required 20 and 2000 means totally 26 bytes required. But we have allocated 20 only now. That's why we can't initialize all the union members at a time. It is a first primary difference. Okay, union and structure main difference. In structure, the memory allocated for all the members. But in union, only one memory. Which memory? Which memory created? Biggest union member size. And it is shared by all the union members. Okay, that's why in union, we can't initialize all the union members at a time. Only one member can be initialized. Suppose, see this. This time I am going to give only one value. See that, guys. This time any warning or error? Come on. No warning, no error. Because of this time we are going to initialize how many values only? One value. And now anybody guess it? Output of this. ID number 101, no doubt. What about name and fee? Anybody? In this example, what is the name? What is the fee? ID number, no doubt, 101. Because of 101, integer matching. Then what about the name and fee? I am asking. Maybe output. Okay, name equal to fee equal to 0.0. See that? Because of name is character data. No? Name is character data. Okay, and here what you have entered integer value. So the 101 converted into character, and 101 is the ASCII value of small e. That's why your answer is small e. Then what about fee? Actually, fee is a float. When working with float, you should provide correct value. Otherwise, it is giving like this. That's why your ID. Okay, logic. See this. How the memory allocated. How many bytes are there right now? 20 bytes. And the value is what? Float, integer, and integer float type mismatching. That's why it is giving 0.00. Company.
Recording in
24 hours
progress.
duty? No, that's in that company, they are going to take 3 employees. Okay, just assume, for example, it is a company and it is a chair. Okay, and there is an employee. Now, there is a system here. Okay, he is going to operate. But actually, how many employees are there? First employee entering into the company now, going to work. 8 hours completed, he is going to leave the place or not. Then only the second person can enter or not. Now, work. When 8 hours completed, he is also going to leave or not. and now the third entered. Now tell me, how many systems are there? How many systems are there? Only, but how many employees are there? The employees are going to share the same system one by one or not? One by means one memory which is used by three employees or not? Union. Not only that one, in real time environment, nowadays it is one of the important concepts. For example, when you are creating Gmail ID, Facebook, WhatsApp like this, it is a sign up process. First you have to go for. Am I right? And now in sign up process, nowadays they are asking the common gender. First you have to enter your gender. Okay. Nowadays, how many genders they are giving? 3 genders they are providing. Okay. Nowadays, they are providing 3 genders, guys. It's nothing but male. Second one is nothing but female. Third one is nothing but others. Okay. Now watch it. Right now, how many genders are there? 3. And nowadays, they are giving the radio buttons. For gender selection, radio buttons. These are called radio buttons. Suppose I am the person. Suppose the person selecting the male. Okay. Now my gender is what? Male. Suppose some girl is there. She is female. Gender is what? Female. Some other person, others. Now gender is others. Now tell me how many genders? We are having 3 genders. But how many are working at a time? Only 1 or not? We are having 3. But user can select. Now in HTML pages, we are calling, these are the radio or option which is developed from our C union concept. In union also, how many activated time? Only 1 or not? In this radio also, how many activated time? Only 1 or not? That means radio working style, union working style, both are same or not? Next. Now I am going to give you one more. Okay. Otherwise, integer. It is your choice. It's union size 2 bytes. Because of long integer required more bytes. When compared with integer, no. Which one is the bigger? 4, no? That's why this union is biggest union member, no? That's a 4 bytes. Later watch it. Change. S dot A equal to 100. S dot A. Only I am calling A, not the B. Now print A value, comma B value. See that? Print a percentage LD, comma S dot A, comma S dot B. Guess it, guys, answer. Maybe guess it, answer. A value is what? B value is what? Anybody guess it? Maybe A value, B value. Both are same. 100, 100. See that? Nobody is getting, huh? Both are going to be 100, guys. Logic very simple, man. Here, how many memories are there? In union, how many memories created? I'm asking. Only. Now you are going to give S dot A equal to what? Now S dot A is having any separate memory? It is common memory, na? That means this 100 stored in this common memory, na? That means this value is what? 100. Now print S dot A. Again value coming same area, no? Means answer. Yeah. Now S dot B. Tell me, S dot B is having any separate memory? Then value coming from same area or not again? Then answer is again 100 or not? And that means here 2 memories are there or only 1 memory. But it is shared by 2 members. The same value shared by 2 members or not? And that's why in union only 1 memory. And now say this same program, small change. This time I'm going to put like this. S dot B equal to 200. See that, guys? Both are going to 200 or not? Based on this, either A memory or B memory, both same now, because of A is not having any separate memory, B is not having same, okay, separate memory. They are going to use common memory or not. That's all. Suppose I want to access both, then do only one thing. Separately access it. That's all. Now both are going to be different answers, no? But internally same. Now what happened? First S dot A becomes 100 printed now. Later S dot B value becomes. But internally they are separate or same? Same only. Okay. Like this we are going to use union concept. That's why, okay, listen, everybody listen. When we have to use union, whenever the user want to use the common memory for all the variables, then go for which topic? Union concept. Moreover, nothing is there. That's all. Union concept is that one. I said now all these are small topics. Okay. Here I have given all the examples and differences, everything, guys. Now I have given the differences also here with examples. Okay, guys. Next, watch it. Now we are moving to the another small topic is there. Okay, another important but small topic. Okay, that is nothing but enum or enumeration. Now the next topic, enum or enum concept. Now what is meant by enum or enumeration? How the enum or enumeration is important nowadays. Okay, now very simple. Enum allows to store. It allows to store several integer values in the form of identifiers. Okay, everybody listen. Enum allows to store several integer values in the form of identifiers. That means what? Tell me anyone. Integer array. Okay, at least tell me. Array meaning is what? Collection of same type of variables. Array is homogeneous. Structure means what? Heterogeneous. Okay, array means same type. Structure means different type. Now, union means only integers. Only integer, but in the form of identifier. Means what? Okay, very simple. Suppose, guys, you want to call the police. Suppose you want to call the police. In mobile phone, you are going to type police or 100 now. 10. Okay, then 100 what? Integer. Am I right? But it is connecting with. Then police is what? Identifier. 100 identified with. Police or not? Suppose you want to call the fire engine. 101. 101 is nothing but fire. And ambulance. 108. Got it? Not only that one. In so many situations. For example, tell me. Suppose I am going to put like this. 8th March 2022. Tell me, I think it is today's date. 8th March 2022. It is today's date or not? Yes. Now, I am going to put this time 8, okay, MAR in place of March 3, 2022. Both are same. Come on, guys. Both are same or not same? Come on, guys. 8 March 2022, 8/3/2022. Both are same or different? Then 3 क्या है, March क्या है? 3 is integer. March is the identifier for this. Got it? That means it is working based on what? Enum concept. It is working based on enum concept, guys, again. Okay, it is also enum concept. Not only that one. Okay, the best example. In your mobile phone, you are storing the contacts or not? Now you are storing number or name? Name. Suppose I am going to store Narendra Modi in my name, contacts list. Now I am going to touch the Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi coming to the line. You are saying na name is stored enough. Then you are storing number or name? Both pagals. Every day you are doing that. You are saying number, like name. Kya hai ji, you are storing only number. How to identify, how to remember that number? In your mobile phone, only one name is there or only one number is there. That's why what you are doing. For every number you are giving a visibility. Visibility is which one? Name. But when it is swiped, connecting with number no, means your mobile phone is enum. Your contact book is based on enum concept, guys. Internally they are numbers, but outside they are names are not. And that's why your contact book is nothing but following enum concept. Okay. When watching the example, you can understood easily. Example also. Now easy to remember. Watch it, guys. It is your program. Suppose I'm going to enter text color of green and C printf. Suppose Kishore. See that, guys? Kishore printed in green color or not? Now tell me, here green name is the number. Green number is the name. Name is used to identify now. But this time watch it. I am giving number 2. Number 2. Answer again same to same. Answer again same to same. Now tell me which one is easy to remember. Number 2 no green. Which one is easy to remember? I am asking. Green or number 2 no? Green because of regularly used word. That's why they have introduced enum. But actually green color number is what? And that means they are storing integers. But for easiness, they are creating the names or not. It is how it is. How this one is working? Logic very simple. It is a working style of enum. Enum, which one it is? Colors. The enum name is colors. Later, first color is black. Okay, first color is black. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, guys. Now watch it. Black, next blue, next green, next cyan, next red. That's all. Okay, like that we are having 16 colors. Now tell me, guys, your first name is what? Internally it is 0. Black number internally 0. And next number is internally 1. Now green 2. Now tell me, green and 2 both are same or not? But watch it, guys. This time I'm going to give green. Everybody observe it. It is giving any problem? Run this program. Answer. Same to same, no? Answer. Same to same. Now see this. In place of green, I am using, for example, high. Now I am putting high. Everybody observe it. Interesting thing. See that? Any warning or error? But watch it. Answer green color again. I have used high. I have not used green. But answer is why? Why? Because means colors is a predefined one. Okay. Already colors red, green, blue. These are predefined or user defined? In predefined, in second position, they have created which one? Green color. How to prove it practically? Open the colors, guys. Okay, everybody observe it. Everybody observe it, guys. Here very clear. Enumerated type what? Now colors is a enumerated type. Okay, guys. Now it is what? Now tell me black number. Into which one is there? It is, that's why working. Now when you are calling the text color, it is going to call these colors. In this color, second position given to green or not? That's why it is taking green only. Okay, that's why it is giving green. For example, you are not giving these colors. You are not creating any colors. Now tell me, in original colors, capital letters are there or small letters? Capital letter, no? Now do one thing. Suppose I am giving capital color. Suppose red, red. Capital letter, no? Now watch it, guys. Any warning or error? No, red color visible. See this, same program, small red I am giving. Now watch it. It is giving error or not? Why? Because in original color, there is any small red. That means it is taking our color out, existing colors are. Existing or not? Okay. That's why it is giving error. Okay. Next, one more example I am going to create. For example, see this enum. What it is? Enum months. And what are the months available? January, February, March. Something. Okay. I'm going to give like this. Now see this, guys. Here February, March. January number. Actually based on this. 0. Based on this 0, no? And 1 means February. And March means 2. But actually as per the user, March 3rd month. Okay. Otherwise see that. No problem. I'm going to show you that. Printf. Everybody observe it. Today it is nothing but 8th percentage D 2022, comma, I'm using March. Actually, March, as per this one, March position is 2, na? See that it is showing February month or not. Second month. Yes or no? But actually it is second month or third month. That's why we are going to give like this. January equal to 1. Problem solved. Now January becomes what? Automatically February becomes next number. Means 2. Next number 3. Now watch it, guys. Again same answer. Come on. And now I am using number or name. I am using number or name. But it is replaced with number or not. Yes. Not only that one. And here month name is there now. It is not compulsory. Just enum. Just empty place. No problem. See that answer again. Same to same. Answer again same to same or not? That means enum name compulsory, optional. Optional or not? And you can enter like this also. E equal to, for example, March. Variable. We are declaring a variable. Now in place of March, directly you can use. Now E and March both are. See that again answer same. Got it, guys? Like this example is working. That's why your answer 8, 3, 20, 20. And one more best example. Watch it, guys. Enum, emergency. Emergency. And now first emergency number is what? Police, no? Next one, fire. Next one. But ambulance number is what? Tell me fire number is what? 101. There is no need to separate. Why? Because already police number. Next number not automatically is assigned. That's why 101. Ambulance, but next number, different number. Now watch it. Now I'm going to enter like this. Dialing percentage D. Dialing percentage D. And here I'm entering direct answer police. See that, guys? Answer. Okay, no? Actually, I have used number or name. Name, but internally, number or not. Like this, we are using the enum concept. That's why enum allows to store. Enum allows to store several what type of values? Integer only. Don't try to enter, okay, 10.1, 100.1. See that it is giving error or not? Very clearly it is giving error. See this constant expression required. Next, watch it. One more thing. Here semicolon used or not used? Suppose you are trying to end with semicolon. Again error, see that. That means enum identifiers never ends with. Remember that. Enum identifiers never end with semicolon. Okay. Now enum, these are called identifiers. These are called, but every identifier internally what it is? An integer num. Okay, every identifier internally what it is? One integer value. Got it, guys? Everyone understood? It is about, okay, enum concept. How the enum is working means based on this. I think very clear, right? I said no, all these are small topics only. Now all the examples covered, guys. Whatever, okay, whatever the example I have given, all these examples also covered in notes. Okay, next one more small topic is left. Okay, now what is that small topic? Everybody take a look on this. I'm going to explain about that one also. Now the next concept, for example, here I'm going to define like this. Everybody observe it. Suppose I'm going to define my int a equal to 10 and my float b equal to 1.2. Now print a value equal to percentage d, comma, b equal to percentage f, a comma b. That's all. Answer is what, guys? A value 10, b value, yes, 100% wrong answers, 2 errors. पहले बोलो in C language my integer, your float to आंटी का double, अंकुल का long integer, है क्या? Then कैसे काम करेगा? My integer, your float, everybody saying 10 1.2. कैसे आएगा जी? Up to this class nearly 3 months. Okay, we have used integer float only. My integer, my float. कब use किया? बोलो. We have used that one. Then कैसे काम करे जी? Answer, errors आएगा. Got it? Then, but I want to use my integer, my float. But I want to use my integer, my float only. Then how to use my integer, my float only? Okay, and then watch it. Okay, when you want to use your own integer, your own float, then you have to go for type def. There is a new concept called type def. What we have to use? Type def. Now integer, my integer. That's all. Now int my integer का meaning क्या है? Alias. That's all. Now alias means what? Okay, now watch it. Type def float my float. That's all. And now in this example, what is going to be happen? Watch it, guys. For integer, we are creating a nickname called my integer. For float, we are creating nickname called my float. Okay, for example, everybody knows in this class. Suppose I said, okay, UV, for otherwise, Bajji selected for, suppose, Bajji selected for Chennai Super Kings. Meaning क्या है? Bajji selected for Chennai Super Kings. Meaning क्या है? Bajji का meaning? मेरे को क्या बर्जी? कारा? क्या है then? हरभजन सिंह. Then ये हरभजन सिंह क्या है? ये बज्जी क्या है? Nickname. And nickname is called alias. Nickname is called. Now tell me, guys. Here, Bajji and Harbhajan both are. Now integer, my integer both are same. Got it? Now integer and my integer both are. Now from integer we can declare a. Like that, my integer also allows to declare the variable a. Now same to same, my float also nickname for. Now instead of float directly you can use. Now watch it. Any warning or error? Okay. 1 minute. And now watch it. Here it is nothing but alias or not. Next. Now tell me, guys, integer float, what they are first thing? Data types. Integer float, what they are? And for these are existing data types or new now? Integer float are existing data type or new data types? Then my integer, my float. New names. New. Very good. Okay. New names they are. Now what happened means for existing data types, we are creating our own names by using which concept? Type. Def or not. And now you are getting a small confusion. Sir, hash define also same now. Hash define int, my int. Yes or no? Already we have used. Now int, whenever int occurred, it is replaced with my int na. Okay, एक बार देखो. Hash define float, my float. Okay na guys. And now watch it here. How many errors guys? Come on. 6 errors. Okay. Why? Why? Because means okay. Actually, these are called macros. In hash define, what they are called? What I said, whenever my int occurred, it is replaced with it is replaced with integer na. But from macro we can't create new variable na. Macro is only replacement. Remember that. Very P replaced with printf. Remember. P replaced with printf. G replaced with getch. Main is replaced with Kishore. I have given. Okay. But here replacement are nicknames. Okay. Difference got it? That's why macro is substitution. Macro just substitution. And from macro we can't declare new variables. Here what it is? A variable. B also. That means macro doesn't allow us to create new variables. It is only for substitution. Got it now? But this one allows to create alias name. From that you can create the new variables or not? Yes. It is the difference between hash define and okay type def. Hash define and type. Okay, very fine. Now see this guys. Type def int my int. Later type def float my float. Here the most important thing everybody have to remember is in type def we are creating just nicknames. We are creating just for existing data types. We are not giving any new properties or we are not deleting the existing properties. Integer same to same. Okay, integer property is what? Integer property. Okay, at least tell me. Integer take how many bytes? 2 bytes. And integer stores decimal or non-decimal? Non-decimal. And integer capacity is what? Storage capacity. Minus 32,768 2 plus 32,767 na. We are not changing that one. We are not changing all these properties. Just we are giving new name, that's all. We are giving new name. Okay? That's why here type def allows to give the new names for existing data types. But we can't create new variables, means new data type with the new properties, or we can't delete the existing properties. Okay? It is how the type def is working. Got it now? Now tell me, finally, with this any advantage? Anybody tell me? With this advantage is what? Advantage I must. Previously we are using integer. This time I am using my integer. Any advantage is there? Anybody? I'm asking about advantage. Only one advantage. Self-satisfaction. That's all. Only self-satisfaction. Previously you are using Dennis Ritchie integer. Now I am using my integer. क्या है? फर्क क्या है इसमें बोलो? कोई any what guys? Previously int है. This time my int है. Any new property? Any advantage? No. But then why they have introduced it? Actually the concept is not for this one. Structure concept. Little bit advantage is there. Okay. In structures. It is useful in structure concept. Okay. How it is useful in structure concept. Okay, guys. How it is useful in structure concept. I'm going to explain, see that. And how the type def is working, understood now? First type def, later what you have to enter? And here, alias means nickname. Got it now? It is the syntax of, okay, type def. And now watch it. How it is useful in structures concept. How the type def is used. Now watch it. I am declaring a structure. It is the structure. Okay. Name of 20. What it may be, no problem. Next, structure variable. Actually, I have declared any structure variable. No, I want to define the structure variable. I think it is the procedure struct. Yes. Am I right, guys? That's all, guys. It is how to define the structure. Okay. First, we have declared a structure called student. What are the members? ID and name. From that, we have defined a structure variable. Yes. And we have passed the value 101 Krish. Later, I am printing the details. First, I want to print the ID. Later, I want to print the name. And now watch it. Percentage D, percentage S. S dot ID, comma. S dot name. Watch it, guys. Both values printed. Okay, now? And tell me in this example, S is what, guys? Structure. No doubt. Now, it is a structure variable. There is no doubt at all. And the structure variable, from where we have defined? We have defined the structure variable from which structure? The S is a structure variable, na? The structure variable defined from which structure? Student structure. What, guys? Very clearly visible, na? STU is the structure name. And STU is a what? Structure or not? But already one time you have defined that, no? STU is a structure. See that? Already at the beginning, you said STU is a structure. STU is a structure. And again you are declaring STU is a structure or not. Say yes or no? Yes. That means how many times you have used the struct keyword? Suppose I want to define another variable. Again I have to declare struct STUS, no? That means every time we should have to use struct keyword or not. Suppose I am deleting struct keyword. Suppose see this. Already I have used struct. That's why I am deleting struct keyword. Okay. Now watch it, guys. It is giving error or not. It is giving error. See that? Okay. That means, okay, to define the structure variable in other places, you should have to use struct keyword each and every time. No? Now, due to this little bit program size is increased or not, then watch it. The solution is this one, type def. Now I am going to use type def struct, and here I am using STU. Tell me STU is what here? STU is what I am asking. Structure variable or not? Yes, 100% wrong answer. This time it is alias. Why? Because type def is introduced. See that syntax, see that. Everybody observe it. I'm giving syntax. 1 minute, say this. Type def is a keyword. INT is the data type now. And my INT is the alias or not. Same to same. Type def. Now data type is struct and nickname is finished. Now tell me STU is the what? STU is the what? Alias or not? Type def matched. And data type is nothing but struct and alias is nothing but student or not? Now tell me, guys, based on this example, STU is what? Structure variable or alias? From alias, we can create the new variables now. Okay. From my INT, I have declared A. Na? Like that, student, we can create yes, no? Watch it, guys. Any error or warning? Okay, now watch it. Here, I'm going to define like this. It is comment required, no? Any warning or error? Now tell me, struct keyword, how many times I have used? Only. Here, struct keyword used or not used? That means directly we can create the structure variable. And that means when you are adding type def to the struct keyword, okay, when we are adding or when we are creating the structure using type def concept, what happens? It allows to create the alias or not. From alias, we can declare the variables or not. That's why your time. That's why your time. Saved or not. Every time there is no need to use the struct keyword or not. I think everyone clear? It is the type def concept. And where we are going to use type def? In structure little bit. Okay. In normal data type, it is not required, especially for structure data type. Okay, guys? I think very clear. It is about type def concept, guys. Moreover, nothing. I said no. All these are small topics only. It is how the type def is working, including examples also I have given, guys. Okay, what you are not getting, Mr. Pawan Salve? बोलो, कहाँ है तेरे डाउट, क्या है बोलो, मैं सॉल्व करूंगा. बोलो, in this topic where you are having a confusion or anything. Mr. Pawan Salve, बोलो, I am waiting for it. तेरे को डाउट कहाँ है बोलो. Type def, data type, alias or new name or nickname. Why we are using type def keyword? Okay, then why you are using integer keyword? बोलो, why you are using integer keyword? Why you are using the main keyword? बोलो Pawan Salve. Our topic is what? Type def. Type def allows to give the alias names. To create the alias name, we have to use the type def. Understood, Mr. Salve? Okay, it is a keyword. It is used to create new names for existing data types by providing alias. Alias means what I said? Nickname or another name or not? What, man? It is previous example, man. It is previous example. Understood? It is previous example I have compared. For INT, we are giving new name called myINT and type def is the keyword. When type def is there, then only you can create the new name. I think you are going to add lately to the class, huh? No, sir. Then already topic completed. Now you are asking the question. Okay. Right. Okay, guys. Based on type def concept, we can create what? New names for existing data types. New names for existing data types. Okay. Now type def allows to create new name for struct keyword. Okay, what is we are creating? Alias. That alias name is what? Student. Right. Okay, guys. And now we are moving to one more small okay. Now I am going for one more concept is there. That is what? Okay, now the concept name is bit fields. Okay, now I am going to discuss about bit fields. What is meant by a bit field? Okay, where we are going to use the bit field concept. Okay, now everyone observe it, guys. I am going to explain about bit fields concept. Okay, and one more thing before going to start this. Tomorrow your class timing is what? 7:30 a.m. Okay, same Zoom ID password. Same your existing Zoom ID password. Online students. Okay, for offline students, same class. Okay, same classroom, guys. Remember that. Okay, already yesterday I have announced that. Tomorrow, your class timing is 7:30 a.m. Same classroom, offline students. Online students, same Zoom ID password. Okay, 11 a.m. Zoom ID password. Okay, thank you. And now, what is meant by bit field concept, guys? Where we are going to use bit fields, why we need the bit field concept. Now listen carefully, another important topic. Okay, everybody take a look on this. I'm going to explain about bit field concept. Suppose there is a structure, guys, and the structure name, for example, testing, for example. Okay, here I have declared INTA and INTB. How many structure members? 2, and test is the T is the structure variable. Last 2 classes. Manikanta, last 2 classes. Understood? Last 2 classes. And now watch it. Okay. And now 1 minute, everybody see this. Here there is a test structure, guys. And the members are what? A and B. What type they are? Integer type or not? And generally in C language, integer take how many bytes? 2 bytes. B also takes. That means totally. Very good. 4 bytes. Everybody observe it. Printf size equal to %d, comma, size of T. Now watch it, guys. Answer 4 bytes printed or not? Okay, now listen carefully, everyone. Listen carefully. Now your answer is what, guys? 4. Okay. Later watch it. What I am doing. T dot A equal to, for example, 3. And T dot B equal to, for example, 7. Okay. In A, what I have stored? 3. And in B, what I have stored? 7 now. Okay. There is a clarity now. And now the memory allocated like this. For example, everyone take a look on this. Here, first A. A is what type? Integer. A is integer. In Turbo C plus, integer take how many bytes? 2 bytes. Okay. Just assume these are the 4 bits. Okay. Now watch it. Here I am creating another 4 bits. Okay. Now how many bits are there? 8 bits. Very good. Now I am creating another 8 bits. Can I say it is byte 1 memory? Byte 1 means 8 bits. Same to same. It is byte 2. Come on, guys. And now we are having totally how many bytes? 2 bytes. And 2 bytes takes how much memory? 16 bits. Okay. And now we are having 16 bits. Just assume it is A memory. It is A memory. And as usual, B also need the memory now. Yes. B also need the same memory. And now it is nothing but A. Okay. It is nothing but A memory. And it is nothing but B memory. And tell me, guys, in A, the value what I have stored? 3. Very good. Actually, in A, I have stored value 3. But actually in our system, our value stored in decimal format or binary format? Binary format. That means 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 remainder. 1 na? Now 3 binary value is what? That means 1 stored here. It is 2 power. And it is. There is a clear clarity, guys. Everyone, there is a clear clarity. And now, how many bytes memory allocated for A? 2 bytes. 2 bytes means 16 bits. 16 bits. But we have stored which value in that? 3. And 3 need how many bits? Only 2 bits. See that? Okay, 2 power 0, 2 power. Next, B value is what, guys? Very good. 7. B value 7. And now, convert into binary value. Okay, 2 3s. Reminder. 2 1s. Again reminder. 1 or not? Okay, and now tell me, answer is what? 1 1 1. Okay, answer 1 1 1. I think very clear now? Yes. And now tell me, guys, can I say it is 2 power 0 and it is nothing but 2 power and it is nothing but 2 square or not? And now tell me, how many bits allocated for B? 3. And how many bits allocated for A? 2. Totally how many bits required? 5 only, no? Listen everybody carefully what I am saying. A is using 2 bits. B is using 3. Totally 5 enough. But we have declared how many bits for both? 32 bits. 38 fours. 32. 8 fours. That's the remaining memory getting wasted or not? That's the remaining memory getting. Now, how to solve this issue? I want to solve this issue. I want to save the memory. Okay? Everybody just watch it, guys. I'm going to save this. How to save this memory? Still how many bytes? 4 bytes now? But actually how many bytes enough? 5 bits. 5 bits means within 1 byte now. Then watch it. It is the solution. A colon 2, B colon 3. That's all, guys. Now the meaning of this one. A is going to use 2 bits only. And B is going to use only 3 bits. Remember, when you are putting colon 2, colon 3 after the structure member, now the meaning is that A is going to use only 2 bits and B is going to use 3 bits only. Got it? And now tell me, here 2 bits, here 3 bits, totally. Watch it. Memory, how many bytes it is showing? Now 3 bytes. Saved. Now the 3 bytes. That's all. It is bit field. This concept is called bit field concept, guys. Here, this one is nothing but bit field. Why it is called bit field concept? Why it is called bit fields? Listen. Generally, you are watching cricket matches now. Okay. Suppose just assume it is a cricket ground. Okay. It is a cricket ground, guys. Just assume it is a pitch. Okay. Just assume it is a pitch. And here wickets are like this. Just assume. Okay. Now we are having the wickets like this. Next. Okay. This side. Another thing is here keeper. First slip. Okay. Next. Long on, long off. Bowler. Okay. Now generally on one side, how many players available? Generally on one side. 11. In one team, guys, one side means 11 players now. That's why I have given 11. See that? How many dots are there? Here, 1, 5. Here, it is also there now, man. 10 now. क्या है जी जतन से देखो 11 there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I right? 7, 8, 9, 10. और इसके पीछे और एक है. Okay. Now listen. How many players on one time? One side. Sorry. Okay. 11 players are there. Okay, guys. Now, for example, he is here. 11 players are there now. Tell me, all the 11 players are side by side or in different positions. Why? Because they can stand here like this now. General, I'm asking. They can stand like this now. Huh? Then why they are going to stand in different positions? To save the runs, to take the catches. Actually, it is called field setting. It is called field setting now. And now tell me, based on this field setting advantage, why they are going to set the field? To save the runs. Am I right? And now tell me, can I say it is nothing but bit field setting? To save the bytes or not, guys? That's why this topic name is called bit fields. That's why this topic name is called bit fields. Next, another important thing. I think everyone understood now. This concept understood. Why the name bit fields concept? Because of this, by using this bit field setting, we can save the bytes. We can save the bytes. Next. Now listen, guys. Okay. And before, okay, actually we have discussed this topic in previous classes. We have discussed this topic in previous classes. No. Okay. Today only we have discussed this. Why? Because of the most important thing, this bit field is working only in structures. It is the reason. Remember, everybody, we can set the bit fields only for structure members. Outside the structure, we can't set it. And structure yesterday we have finished. Am I right? That's why today I have started this one. Okay. We can't use bit fields on outside the structure data. Okay. It works only on structure, including union also not working. Union also doesn't support this. Okay. And another important thing, another most important thing, it works only on integer data. It works only on integer. No character, no float, no string. Everybody remember, we can set the bit fields. We can set the bit fields only on what type of data? Integer data. And we can't set the bit fields for float, character, string, double, etc., etc. It works only on integer. And another important role, another important thing, it is one of the low level feature of C. Okay. Already I said C is a middle level language. Why C is a middle level? Because of it comes with both high level features and very good. C is having both high level features as well as now in interview they're asking, explain one of the low level feature of C. It is a topic, bit fields. Okay. Already at the beginning we have discussed bitwise operators. Already bitwise operators. That is one of the low level. And this one also one of the low level feature of C language. Remember, bit fields, bitwise operators, actually they are the low level language features. But right now they are working in C language or not. That's why C is called, it is a middle level language. That's why we are calling it is a middle level. Got it? Everyone understood? Now for example, this time I'm trying, see this guys, I'm trying on floating data. Float C equal to, for example, 3. What did he say? Read the error also. Not an allowed type. Very clearly saying not an allowed type. Why? Because it is what type? Float or not? And we can't implement, okay, bit fields on floats. Only on integer. Okay now? I think everyone understood. Only one thing, guys. Declare the integer variable. Later is the colon. And how many bits you want to use. Just enter that bit number. Just enter that bit number. That's it. Okay, now automatically that bit's only allowed. And next, guys, anybody in this class, anybody. Okay, right now answer is what? 3. Okay, watch it, guys. How many bytes taken? Only one. Only because of 2 plus 3. How many bits? 5 bits. 5 bits means within 1 byte or not. And now watch it, guys. This time I want to print the A value, comma B value. See that? T dot A, T dot B. Both are working. Minus. Why? Because see this here, T dot A equal to percentage D. Okay. Where the mistake I have conducted. 1 minute. A value is what? B value also. Why? Because, guys, anybody? Anybody? Come on, anybody guess it? Why? Because we are getting answer like this. I need a clarity. Anybody? Okay, no problem, no problem. Already discussed it, but nobody there in class. Okay, now tell me at least this time, see that? Unsigned integer A, unsigned integer B. Now watch it. Any problem? Any problem is there? I am asking. A value 3, B value based on guess it. Why? Because based on that, anybody guess it. Already discussed the topic. Okay, I am giving the clue also. 1 minute. Right now, any problem is there? A value 3, B value 7 or not? Now guess it. At least this time guess it enough. A value 4, B value 10. This time guess it enough. A value, okay, 4, B value 10. Anybody? Anyone? Maybe answer. Discussed. Already discussed. I'm giving that. Okay. Nobody is there in class. Answer 0 and 2. Answer 0 and 2. What, guys? I said no. Now watch it. Why? Because answer is first A. I have declared the A. Okay, for A, how many bits I have allocated? And for B, how many bits I have allocated? 3. Okay, B value 3. And now everyone take a look on this. How the program is giving answer like this. Here, 2 bits. 2 bits means maximum value is what? Maximum value 3. Picture already given na, guys. 2 bits only na. This one. And now these 2 bits can hold how much value? Up to 3. And here 3 bits. 3 bits can hold up to 7 only na. Okay. But given number is 7 na. Okay. 10 na. 10. And A value 4. Then you know that the cycling, guys. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 means maximum it can store up to 3. And 10, actually have given 3 bits. That's why 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is the B storage capacity. But actually in A, you have stored what? 4. You have stored 4 now. Okay. Now tell me guys, here stored 4, but capacity is what guys? Capacity 3 only. And you know that actually integer follows. Okay. Cycling follow. Okay. And positive numbers are stored in clockwise directions. Okay. And now tell me given number is what? 4. Now last number is what? That means 4 is nothing but 0 position. That's why your answer. Your answer 0. Next. The second number is what guys? 10. Second number 10. B value 10. See that. But B can store up to 7. Then it is 8. Then it is 9. It is nothing but already discussed. एक बार notes open करके देखो. Cycling process we are calling data type cycles. These are called data type cycles guys. Okay, that's why your answer is what? First one is 0. Second one, at least understood? That's all. It is called data type cycling procedure. That's why we are getting the answer like this. Means when we are going to give extra data, when we are giving extra values, okay, extra data or extra values, they are going to cycling procedure. That's why last value like that we have to calculate. I think at least understood or not? Okay, and now listen. Actually, it is positive number or negative number. Unsigned ka meaning. Unsigned ka meaning. Positive or negative? Positive number. Very good. Now integer ka meaning. Integer ka meaning. They can hold both positive and negative number. Actually, I have given how many bits? 2 bits now? 1 minute. 2 bits, when 2 bits is given, what happens is for unsigned integer. Okay, now this one is percentage D. And how many bits you have given? 2. Actually 0. Okay, now how many values it can store? 2 bits can store 3. Now what are the numbers? 0, 1, 0, -1. Because of okay, signed integer. Signed integer can store both. Signed integer can store both. Positive and negative number. Actually, it is what? 0. It is nothing but 1 or not. But given number is what? 3. 3 का position क्या है? 3 का position क्या है? Minus. It is the reason. It is the reason. Because of it is signed integer. Signed integer having clockwise direction. Clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. That's why your value is what guys? -1. Okay. It is the reason why we are getting minus values there. It is how the program is working guys. Okay everyone, very clear? Okay, it is how the bit fields are useful in a program. That's why based on this, bit fields reduce what guys? Size. Bit fields reduce the means memory saved or not. When memory saved means performance is high or not. It is the advantage of bit field concept. Okay. And now all these topics completed guys. Now we are having only one big topic, important topic. What it is? Can I start? Can I start the file handling also? Hello, online students. Can I continue that one also? File handling. Very, very important. In that, I am going to cover the project work also. Understood? File handling with project. Okay? Yes. Only 2 students replied. Yes, clearly say that, guys. Can I continue? Otherwise, it is enough for today. Continue? Okay, sir. Including picture also I have given, okay? And already very clearly I have mentioned it is a low level feature of, and it works only on integer or unsigned integer. Okay, now? Right. And program how the memory allocated. Everything very clearly I have mentioned. Okay, guys? And cycling procedure also I have given. Right. What, guys? Tell me clearly. Stop. Enough, huh? It is enough for today. Then, okay, tomorrow I'm going to start that concept. No problem. Okay. Yes, you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can leave the class. Notes are right. Pura notes are right. Okay, 4 topics are there. Okay. And now tell me, guys, here. Okay. Here type def now. Okay. Now I'm adding the bit fields also. Okay, right. Okay. See this first concept, what it is? Union. Second concept is enum concept. Okay. Enum nodes it is. And third concept is, okay, type def. And fourth one is nothing but, okay, now bit fields. Okay, guys? Right.